Hey, Till. You're sitting up so big. Hey, Guinness. Guinness is trying to get your mittens. Don't let him. Don't let him. Watch out, Guinness. Matilda, what do you think about those mittens that you have on? Are you trying to get Guinness? Are you trying to get him? Till, look over here. Are you playing with Guinness? That's so sweet. Guinness, be sweet. She's trying to pet you. Yeah, she's trying to pet you. Matilda, are you petting Guinness's nose? Till, look at Mommy. Are you having a good day? Is everything going your way? Oh gosh, I don't know about all this. That is gonna be one dirty mitten. Guinness, watch out, bud. Watch out. See, I don't know if we're ready for all that yet. Can you say hi? Wave hi. You gonna say something? Anything else going on in your head? Nothing? So we've been playing all morning. We did the hokey pokey. So that's our new thing that we do. Yeah, we'll need Dad to capture that on film, right? Yeah. Anything you'd like to say? You just chilling in your chair? Hanging out with Guinness? Your eyes are getting so blue. Yes, they are. They're getting so big. Yes, they are. Are you jamming to your Christmas tunes? Say yeah. All right. Do you want to sign off? You want to say bye? All right. Say bye.